Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Annu Adi Cute World. In this video, I will explore with you all about the famous Mahatma Phule Museum, Pune. Mahatma Phule Museum was founded in 1890 and was then called as Pune Industrial Museum, and consequently it was named as Lord Reay Museum, and in 1968 it was renamed as Mahatma Phule Museum. Mahatma Phule Museum is one of the must-visit Pune tourist attraction for history buffs. This museum makes for an interesting trip as one can see various collections of industrial products, agricultural items and handicraft pieces here. Although the place has been about 118 years old, now it presents the old world charm in the most amazing way to the tourists. If you wish to know more about the unique culture and rich heritage of India, Mahatma Phule Museum is a very educational experience for the tourists. Other notable and interesting collections which one can see here includes brassware, stone carvings, marble statues, oil painting, textiles, body samples of animals from seals to elephants and so on. Mahatma Phule Museum situated on the Khole Road, Shivaji Nagar, Pune. It was originally the residence of the Maratha social activist and prominent promoter of women's rights, Mahatma Jyotiba Phule. In 1890, the residence was transformed into a museum and was named Lord Reay Museum. Now, this museum is an important tourist attraction in Pune. This boasts of artifacts and displays dating back to the bygone era in the field of industrial, agricultural, handicrafts, textiles, geology, stone carvings, marble statues, arms, armory, seals, etc. The highlight of the museum is the taxidermy of animals including elephants, sea fish, etc. Mahatma Jyotiba Phule was a great Indian social reformer who worked extensively for the anti-caste movement and women's emancipation. The taxidermy section covers a vast expanse of evolution in Indian species of animals, reptiles and birds. It also displays models, charts, pictures, machines and taxidermy of various wildlife species. It broadly covers the disciplines of forestry, agriculture, natural history, armory, handicraft, geology, engineering, industries and architecture in Indian history. Mahatma Phule Museum is a treat to see all the statues, paintings, jewellery, architecture and many more things from different eras in our nation, which is so culturally rich and has centuries of history. This museum is well maintained, has ample parking space and good security. The entry fees is 10 rupees per person and the visiting hours are 9 am to 5 pm. The museum is closed on Wednesdays and public holidays. highly recommended to visit this gorgeous museum in the heart of Pune. The works of arts are definitely a must-see, and it is worth to visit this place especially for children who can have fun by learning about the history of India. This museum has a rich collection of various items such as copperware, wooden products and biological products. We can see animal specimens, among which the most striking are the skins of African lions, leopards and crocodile. There are also models of various industrial plants and crafts, as well as the things commonly found in the museum such as old weapons and paintings. The armory displays the weapons and arms from the bygone Mughal and Maratha period. The another section that has exhibit on taxidermy of animals like elephants, birds, snakes, mammals, insects, fish, etc. There is also an industrial section that has working models of hydroelectric power generation, irrigation and refining methods and other forms of scientific agriculture, etc. In addition to this, the museum also has a library that boasts of some very useful and rare books on a variety of subjects. I will include those in the second part of this video. Hope you all got some basic information about Mahatma Phule Museum from my video. If you feel it was informative, please like my video, comment your valuable opinions and share it with your friends and family. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Annu Adi Cute World for more informational and interesting videos. Thank you all. Have a great day.